Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to go live on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Instagram, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go to the top left, tap on the plus sign right here. And then once you're on this section, all you got to do is just go ahead over to these tabs at the bottom, swipe right until you reach the live section. Okay. Right, as you can see here, currently you're seeing my ceiling. But to go live, make sure that you tap on this audience section. And then go and select everyone if you want everyone to see you are live. Okay. Or you can go ahead and add people to your close friends so that people in this specific section can only see that you're live. Okay. If you want to, you go ahead and select this option. And by the way, you could go ahead and practice right here. All right, so I'm just going to go and select to practice. Now it says here when you go live, no one will see it. So go ahead and tap on live, by the way. I thought once that's done, you should be good to go. But make sure that you have at least 1,000 followers or more. All right, so some accounts, as you can see here, I've opened another account. When you go ahead and tap on the plus sign, you'll be able to see this option. So all you got to do is just tap on live. And again, make sure that you have at least 1,000 followers. And you can go ahead and use these filters right here. And that is it. That's how simple it is to go live on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.